Installing outdoor ceramic floor tiles might seem like a daunting task, especially when you're dealing with uneven surfaces, changing weather conditions, and the need for perfect alignment and drainage. But with the right guidance, materials, and tools, it becomes a rewarding and long-lasting upgrade for any exterior space. In this comprehensive guide, we walk you through every step of the outdoor floor tiling process using ceramic tiles, from surface preparation all the way to grouting and final cleaning. This isn't just a quick tutorial, it's a full masterclass. We begin by discussing the essential materials you'll need, such as the type of ceramic tiles suitable for outdoor environments, high-quality adhesive mortar that can withstand moisture and temperature changes, waterproofing membranes if needed, and the best grouting compounds for long-term durability. We also cover the tools you'll need: tile cutters, spacers, levels, rubber mallets, mixing paddles, trowels, buckets, water source, sponges, and safety gear like gloves and knee pads. Next, we dive deep into site assessment and preparation. Learn how to evaluate your outdoor surface to ensure it's structurally sound, well-drained, and ready to receive tiles. We'll show you how to remove dirt, oils, or loose materials, level the substrate using cement and sand mix if needed, and create the right slope for proper water drainage. Understanding this foundation work is critical to ensure your tile installation lasts for years. Once the surface is prepared, we take you through the process of dry laying tiles to test alignment and design patterns. We explore both linear and diagonal layout styles and how to choose what best suits your outdoor space. From there, you'll learn how to mix and apply the adhesive evenly using a notch trowel, how to set each tile with consistent spacing, and how to press them in place for a firm bond. We also provide key tips to avoid lippage, height difference between tiles, and how to adjust tile positions without smearing adhesive as we progress. The video shows you how to make clean and accurate cuts for tiles that meet walls, steps, or irregular edges. This includes how to use a manual tile cutter, an angle grinder with a diamond blade, and a wet saw for precision work. You'll also get tips on cutting curves and how to avoid tile cracking during trimming. After laying all the tiles and letting the adhesive cure for the recommended time, we shift focus to grouting. This part covers selecting the right grout, cementitious or epoxy, mixing it to the perfect consistency, and spreading it using a rubber float. Learn the proper technique to fill joints without voids and how to clean excess grout with a damp sponge before it sets. Finally, we talk about sealing the tiles and grout if required, post-installation cleaning, and maintenance tips. You'll learn how to protect your work from early damage by foot traffic, rain, or dirt, and how to maintain your outdoor ceramic tiles to keep them looking new for years to come. Throughout the video, you'll also find bonus pro tips for dealing with hot climates, cold environments, or high-traffic outdoor areas. This guide is perfect for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, or even beginner tilers looking to take on their first outdoor project. Whether it's a garden walkway, patio, rooftop, or terrace, this tutorial equips you with all the knowledge and skills you need to achieve a professional-looking tile job. Channel Ighoud Ceramic Tiles. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed tutorials and silent instructional videos that teach you the true art of ceramic and marble installation. In this extended part of the guide, we go even deeper into the professional techniques and fine details that separate a mediocre tile job from a flawless one. After completing the basic tile layout and grouting, many installers think the job is done, but this is where true craftsmanship begins. We start with advanced leveling techniques. Outdoor surfaces are rarely perfectly flat, and minor imperfections can become major problems once the tiles are laid. You'll learn how to use a laser level and string line system to monitor the flatness of the surface throughout the installation. We explain how to identify asterisks now that we've covered the technical and structural aspects of outdoor floor tiling. It's time to explore the artistic side of the craft, the part that brings personal style, creativity, and elegance to your project. Outdoor ceramic tiling isn't just about durability. It's also a chance to enhance the beauty of a space and express design aesthetics in ways that are both subtle and bold. In this section, we take you through popular tile patterns used in outdoor environments: straight lay, diagonal lay, herringbone, modular patterns, and even custom geometric designs. We discuss where each pattern works best depending on space size, orientation, light direction, and architectural context. For example, herringbone patterns can add sophistication to small balconies, while diagonal patterns help widen the visual space of narrow garden paths. You'll also learn how to blend color tones and textures for a natural, inviting look outdoor. Tiles come in a variety of finishes: matte, textured, stone look, wood look, and anti-slip, and combining them correctly can elevate your project from good to stunning. We show you how to create transitions between zones using accent tiles or borders, how to build visual breaks in large patios, and how to use contrasting grout colors for stylistic impact. Another important topic covered is dealing with real-world challenges. Not every outdoor space is ideal. You might face an uneven surface, a cracked subfloor, inconsistent sun exposure, or pre-existing structures that limit your layout. We walk you through how to make on-the-spot adjustments, when to reinforce the subbase, how to work around fixed obstacles like garden posts or drainage grates, and how to maintain tile alignment even when the layout gets tight. Then, we discuss common mistakes and how to avoid them. These include poor planning of the tile layout resulting in tiny cuts at edges, using the wrong adhesive for outdoor weather, failing to leave proper expansion joints, grouting too soon, or not accounting for drainage. You'll also learn how to diagnose problems after the installation, like hollow-sounding tiles or cracks, and how to fix them without redoing the entire area. This segment also addresses working as a team or solo. If you're tiling with others, we provide tips on how to assign roles efficiently: one person spreading adhesive, another placing tiles, a third cutting and preparing. If you're working alone, we offer smart ways to organize your space, manage heavy tile boxes, and minimize movement to save energy and time. Moreover, we touch on safety. Outdoor tiling often involves heavier materials, cutting with power tools, and working in open areas exposed to wind or sun. You'll get practical advice on how to stay safe, from eye and ear protection to proper lifting techniques and managing tile dust. We also show how to protect nearby plants, garden beds, and decorative surfaces during your tiling work. The final part of this extended guide is focused on the mindset of a professional. Installing ceramic tiles outdoors is more than a job. It's a commitment to precision, beauty, and endurance. We talk about patience as the secret tool of every master tiler. Every time you stop, check your lines, clean a small mistake, or reapply adhesive for a single tile, you're building not just a floor, but a legacy of quality. You'll also hear stories drawn from real projects, failures turned into lessons, challenges overcome with creative thinking, and clients who appreciated the dedication behind every tile. These experiences are shared to inspire you, remind you that perfection takes time, and prove that with effort and care, any outdoor surface, no matter how ordinary, can become something remarkable. So take your time, watch each part of this video carefully, apply what you learn, and trust that every moment you invest in understanding the process will show in the final result. The sound of the trowel well, the feel of the tile locking into place, the satisfaction of a perfectly aligned edge, these are the marks of a true craftsman. You are not just laying ceramic tiles outdoors. You are creating durable surfaces that withstand the elements, uplift spaces, and bring comfort and beauty to those who walk on them with knowledge, practice, and vision. This project, like all great craftsmanship, becomes timeless. In this advanced section of the guide, we focus on the most complex and often intimidating parts of outdoor floor tiling: installing ceramic tiles on stairs, multi-level surfaces, tight corners, and moisture-sensitive areas like garden walkways, fountains, or pool surroundings. These areas require an extra level of planning, technique, and craftsmanship to ensure durability, safety, and aesthetic harmony. Tiling outdoor stairs. One of the most challenging tasks in ceramic installation is covering outdoor stairs with tile. Unlike flat surfaces, stairs have both vertical riser and horizontal tread planes, and getting them perfectly aligned is essential. We begin by breaking down the steps, how to properly measure risers and treads to maintain consistency, how to create a center reference line for each step, and how to calculate the number of tiles required based on tile size and pattern. You'll learn how to use special stair nosing tiles or metal stair edge trims for added safety and a clean finish. We demonstrate how to cut tiles to fit risers precisely without chipping or uneven lines. You'll also see the importance of using anti-slip textured tiles or applying non-slip coatings, especially for areas exposed to rain or direct sunlight. We walk you through how to start tiling from the bottom step going upward, allowing gravity and support to work in your favor. proper bonding techniques for vertical application, avoiding tile slippage, and achieving crisp grout lines all become essential at this stage. We also show how to maintain a consistent grout width even with riser changes, which can vary in older stairs or custom concrete work. Dealing with multiple surface levels. Outdoor projects often include patios that connect to pathways, steps, leading to garden zones, or transitions between stone and tile areas. These elevation changes must be treated with care. We explain how to prepare transition zones with gentle slopes or ramps, using self-leveling mortar or screeds to prevent trip hazards, or pooling water in cases where tile meets other materials like asterisk. After mastering the practical and artistic principles of outdoor ceramic tiling, the real challenge emerges, applying all this accumulated knowledge under real, imperfect, and often unforgiving outdoor conditions. This fifth and extended chapter is dedicated to helping you operate as a fully capable artisan, someone who balances precision with adaptability, vision with patience, and speed with perfection. It is here, in the unpredictable world of outdoor construction, that your skills evolve from learned technique into natural instinct. The philosophy of preparation, more than just tools and tiles. Every outdoor project starts long before the first tile is laid,